स्टडी मेट्रो ही कंपनी 6 वर्सां फाटीं सुरू जाल्या. ज्या विद्यार्थ्यांक फुडलें शिक्षण घेवपाची आवड आसा तांच्या सहकार्याक उबी रावपी ही संस्था आसा. आतां मेरेन हाचे पुराय भारतांत 15 फांटे आसात. अंतरराष्ट्रीय पावंड्यारूय तांची कार्यालयां उपलब्ध आसात. शेनवारा ह्या कंपनीचो गोंयांतय स्टार्टअप जालो. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
It's a wonderful initiative by the Study Metro to open up this horizon for students to explore the possibilities of getting to know various universities, getting to know the possibilities of going abroad, studying abroad. During our time when I was a student, I had my friend here, Mr. Bernard, and the limitations there were we could just finish our graduations and then think of working somewhere. And that time we did not have much choices. Maximum we could do is go to universities, the Goa University that is, and that was it. And that was end of your education career. And then go on for your career, job oriented, or start business, or stick to the businesses your family had for you. But this is a wonderful initiative by Study Metro that the universities have come down, the representatives from various universities have come down to Goa to give the expertise. The experts are here. You get to interact with these universities face to face and get to know what the subjects are. The experts will explain to you, and instead of just go on net, go on surfing, you get to interact with the universities themselves. The government of Goa is also looking forward and has extended the help to students who are willing to go ahead with the education. We have education loans in Goa, and you can opt for that. You can even go abroad, and for that also government of Goa is supporting the students. And I extend my wholehearted support to Study Metro and the students present here.
Study Metro started 6 years before. The vision is that to help the students who are looking forward to do some kind of internships, kind of work, and some kind of higher education either in India and abroad. The company is started by my brother who was in the United States, and he faced a couple of the difficulties while studying. So he thought, okay, let's start this company and help the students to give them the better idea about the higher education. So currently Study Metro having a 15 branch all over the India, and we have offices available internationally also. The Goa operation we started I guess 2 months before, and the response I have got, I can see that we are going to be 10 times more in the next year. Great.
Around 700 plus universities across the globe. We have different programs for different students as per your needs. In fact, not necessary that you have to have always good finance or something. We have good student loans. Even in fact, we are getting good options from the government as well. So for further studies, and I really thank Abhishek for having this fair in Goa, Study Metro to have a fair in Goa, so that Goan students can know what they can do.